Hello everyone, welcome to this video where we are given that there's this model airplane which is made using a scale factor. Oh, they give us the scale factor of 2 over 700, which is a really small number. So this model airplane is a reduction, okay? So this is a reduction of the original airplane. Okay, and the length of this model is 21.8 cm. Find the actual length in meters. Okay, so these are some of the things that caught my eye of this airplane that the model is based on. Well, to find this actual length, okay, we will then need to consider how we can make use of this scale factor. So in this case here, the actual length of the airplane, since we are given 21.8 cm, which is the model airplane, and we are given the scale factor, and we are trying to find the bigger length, and the scale factor in this case is 2 over 700. Then all we have to do is to divide by this 2 over 700, this scale factor, and that will give me 7,630 cm. Convert to meter, 76.3 meter. The conversion is divide by 100. And that will be the answer. Okay? So this is how Mr. Tan used the scale factor. If I saw that the scale factor is a reduction, in order to get and given the length of the model, the reduced so-called image or figure, I just need to divide by this scale factor. I will be able to get the larger length of the actual plane. We have come to the end of this video, so if you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.